Well, the market once again spinning its wheels, struggling to hold on to gains, but finding buyers with even the slightest dip into the red. Consequently, fractional losses for the Dow and S&P, the NASDAQ rather gaining a little bit. You know, I got to tell you something. I think it's really great action considering the gains that smart money, I mean, they're sitting on some huge profits and they continue to resist any attempt, even these fast shifting moves with these rallies going to the downside. They won't blink, they won't sell. Meanwhile, though, economic data continues to impress, including industrial capacity and leading indicators, economic indicators today. Industrial production was a miss, however. Still on Main Street, it's pretty clear people are feeling better and better. Now, yesterday, it was the Bloomberg Consumer Confidence Report. It hit 51, and just so you know, that's the highest level in more than a decade. Up, in fact, 6 of the last 7 weeks since the inauguration. This thing has been absolutely on fire. The weekly gauge at its highest point since August of 2001. Sentiment at its highest point since August of 2001. Personal finance at its highest point since October 2015. The buying climate at its best level since December of 2001. You know what's really interesting, though, is optimism for those who are politically independent now at a 15-year high. This is important because, let's face it, this is the best group to really weigh how President Trump is doing. Republicans and Democrats at this point are too ideologically wedded to the parties. This also was underscored with the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Report. That came out today at 10 o'clock. The headline was better than expected, but it was the read on current conditions, the highest level since 2000. But talking about bipolar notions, when it comes to expectations, Republicans are looking for a boom. I mean, they're looking for the best economy ever, and Democrats are simply looking for doom and gloom. Nevertheless, independents are pretty optimistic, and that makes me optimistic. No, I got to say, I'm very excited about this market and believe more and more people will start to feel confident and act on that confidence. So I say be ready for this lull to come to an end real soon. The breakout through Dow 21,000 might be your buying point. Keep an eye on that. Hey, we just talked about that meeting with Angela Merkel. Well, we've got breaking news from Reuters. They're reporting that Germany is planning to buy several Lockheed C-130 military transport jets. It's a deal worth $1 billion. Harder to deal.